Yo, what's going on, guys? I just got to Pensacola, Florida. I know I said I was done with the Florida stops, but a shop called Waterboyz said they were down to do a premiere, so drove back down south. Right now I'm heading to a park called Blake Doyle Skatepark. I think it's a new park, under a bridge park. Everyone's been telling me about it on this trip past couple of weeks. Few different times people are like, yo, you gotta hit that park. So yeah, should be there in a couple minutes. I'm stoked. But yesterday when I was at Reset Mercantile in Dothan, Alabama, I was talking to the guys from the shop, and you know, they don't even have a skate park there. They have a little DIY, but you know, and talking to the local kids that skate there, and you realize how important having a skate park is. You know, like, how do you get motivated and push yourself when there's no skate park around? You know, you go and see other kids that are ripping, and you go back and forth and feed off their energy, and got a place to do it. You know, some places it could be flat and there's not many street spots, you know, so like it really is important, you know, and it could take a while, and it's really tough to get a skate park built. You know, it could take years from like when you get the idea and start trying to push for it. So I feel for any of the towns out there that don't have one or don't have one nearby, because they really do help. They help the community. I've seen it firsthand from the park I helped get built. You know, kept me personally out of trouble, and I've seen so many generations of kids get so much benefit from it, and all different disciplines too, not just skating. So you know, it's cool to see parks like this being built, and especially where they're needed. So yeah, let's check this place out. Place looks incredible. Still a little wet. Just rained not too long ago, but it's dry. Look at this, they even got some noping, like at my hometown park. Definitely gotta get a trick on that. That's awesome. What do you do for that?
Heel.
Heel, right?
Yeah, you kind of use your heel to balance it a little bit. Pump it as fast as you can.
Like that.
Thanks, man.
That's cool. Wait, so you run the nonprofit? You started it? Or?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And that's how the park got built?
Yeah, man. It took about 10 years.
I'm in the process now. Mine took about 8 or 9 years.
Yeah.
I know.
Keep going.
That's
man.
amazing. I love that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, Chad, this is my buddy Tim.
What's up? Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you too, man. That's a really fucking cool thing you did, I'm sure.
Thank you.
All the time. That's very cool.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
You got a second, maybe? You think we can get a picture of you in front of our shop?
Yeah,
over
100%.
there,
Yeah.
I want to show Timmy too. Timmy, you got a sec, Tim?
I feel like I just want to give you one for getting this park. For
I want to
putting it all
support,
away.
man. Yeah.
It's funny, when I pull up to like a park like that, in the back of my mind sometimes I'm thinking like, how did this park come about? Like, you know, who was it, the town, like who pushed for it? Awesome to meet John right there, because I've been doing the same thing similar that he's been doing, you know, so he knows what it takes. Pushing years and years and years of failure, not seeing the results, and like finally getting the park and watching everyone, you know, benefit from it. So yeah, really cool to talk to someone else who's been through that similar journey. And yeah, you just gotta appreciate people like that stepping up in the community, because not everyone wants to take on that role. It's just kind of a pain, you know. So shout out to him. Yo.
I just got here, bro.
That's good.
I'm fucking stoked.
How's it going? How you feeling?
Good, man.
All right.
Good.
Nice to meet you. Alright guys, got a little bit of downtime before the premiere tonight, so just gonna chill back here, cool out, and do some editing. It's actually pretty comfortable in here. I got these, I don't know what they're called, like these foam things for the walls with ridges in it. I think musicians, podcasters like use them on the walls to drown out the sound, but that and a little piece of foam works pretty good. Get a clip or what?
I'll get it this time.
Yeah?
Now I got something other than just transition. That was the thing. I was like, give me one ledge, and then I got something.
Okay guys, another premiere in the books. Pensacola, kind of a hidden gem. Sorry to the locals blowing it up, but it's kind of awesome here. Everyone's super cool, really good scene, a lot of stuff going on. really good skaters. This place, Waterboyz, the owner, Sean, he's had this place for 35 years. So I'm sure this place has been a huge part of the community, surfing, skating, all that stuff, you know, with the indoor ramps and everything. It's cool. Yeah, with the nonprofits, just everything I've seen here in the short amount of time I've been here, it's been awesome, and I will definitely be back. But yeah, that's it for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.